Today is another Bondi Harvest Basics. I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect waffle. Super simple recipe, only a handful of ingredients, and you can top it with whatever you like. Let's get cooking. It's so good. To make your waffle batter, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Add a tablespoon of honey for sweetness. A pinch of salt. Our oat milk. Some olive oil. And some beetroot powder. Now just using a spoon, just bring that together. We're also going to add 2 eggs. And our eggs we're going to separate, so just crack 1 egg at a time into a bowl. Carefully passing your yolk from one shell to the next, catching it so that we've separated our yolks and our whites. Our yolks are going to go straight into our batter. Whisk your egg whites till they're light and fluffy. Gently fold through your egg whites into your waffle mix. And we're just going to go straight in with our waffle mixture. Remembering that it's going to expand, so don't fill it up too much. Crunchy on the outside, soft, chewy, and delicious in the middle. That is what you want in a recipe, and that is what you want in the perfect waffle. Alright guys,